Welcome to Oxygen Health Systems, where innovation and wellness come together. From advanced hyperbaric chamber designs to seamless delivery solutions, we redefine excellence every step of the way. With our state-of-the-art designs, you will experience cutting-edge technology behind our hyperbaric chambers. Created to elevate health and recovery, our chambers combine sleek design, advanced features, and total user comfort. Every one of our chambers is a commitment to excellence. Our team meticulously inspects each product to ensure it meets the highest standards, supported by a robust inventory system for fast and efficient fulfillment. Located right in the heart of the Midwest USA, we're able to ship nationwide with short lead times and ensure each product arrives safely. With our staff available for your questions and additional training once chambers arrive to your facility. At Oxygen Health Systems, we experience cutting-edge technology crafted with care that empowers wellness. Discover how our HBOT chambers can elevate your practice or facility today.